ke hakani Kharpor yadan angni mga ba Starwin Kharjana I ba Banister Kharpor I ba puli ya ka Braille hakani Kharpor but I kong Ridahun Khriam I ba le ya ka sign language translator I kublay ya ka office yung Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities but ya ka office yung Director Printing and Stationaries Government of Meghalaya ibala Shimkia na kabanta ibri kibidan gijing duna department ha ka jilla Meghalaya bantemi ya kani ka Braille ha ka tin khasi tin karo bat ka tin English kung si banta ban ai ka program aji hikai syabaro Braille kibadan gijing duna ha ki department kumno ba kiniada na uli uknyang jingpang Covid-19
National Health Mission Novel Coronavirus Covid-19 General Advisory for Public The 2019 novel coronavirus Covid-19 is a contagious virus that causes respiratory illness in infected persons and can be transmitted from person to person. Symptoms: fever, difficulty in breathing, coughing, tightness of chests, running nose. Mode of transmission: human coronavirus Covid-19 most commonly spreads from infected person to others through number 1, air by coughing and sneezing, 2, close personal contact such as touching or shaking hands or kissing. Number 3, touching an object or surface contaminated by the virus, then touching your mouth, nose or eyes before washing your hands. How to reduce risk of coronavirus infection COVID-19. In case you develop symptoms such as fever and cough within 28 days of leaving the COVID-19 affected countries, or you have come in close contact with a confirmed case of COVID-19, A, immediately restrict your outdoor movements. B, keep yourself isolated in your house or room. Avoid close contact with others and follow the basic hand and respiratory hygiene. C, call the 24 hours GVK EMRI helpline number 108. Operator will tell you what to do, how to get medical assistance or tests done, and whom to contact further. Do's. Number 1, cover your nose and mouth with disposable tissue or handkerchief while coughing or sneezing, and dispose tissue sanitarily. Number 2, frequently wash your hands with soap with running water, especially before touching your eyes, nose or mouth. Number 3, avoid crowded places to protect yourself from getting contaminated with unknown persons having communicable diseases. Number 3, persons suffering from influenza like illness should remain at home. Avoid close contact with family members or other people, and follow the basic hand and respiratory hygiene. Number 4, stay more than 1 arm's length distance from persons sick with flu, within brackets, fever, with cough and cold, close bracket. Number 5, take adequate sleep and rest. Drink plenty of water or liquid and eat nutritious diet, within brackets, add antiviral foods like garlic, ginger, turmeric, etc. to boost your immunity. Person suspected with influenza like illness must consult a doctor. Don'ts. Number 1, don't touch eyes, nose or mouth with unwashed hands. Number 2, don't hug, kiss and shake hands while greeting if suffering from flu or with unwashed hands. Number 3, don't spit in public places. Number 4, don't take medicines without consulting a doctor. Number 5, don't dispose used napkins or tissue paper in open areas. Number 6, don't touch surfaces usually used by public like railing, door, gates. Number 7, don't travel in public transports or visit public places without wearing mask if suffering from flu-like symptoms. On behalf of the visually impaired community, I would like to express our hearty gratitude to the Office of the Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities and to the Office of the Director of the Printing and Stationeries Government of Meghalaya, through whose effort people like me has been blessed with the materials which they have provided in Braille, and they have tried their best to provide the information with regards to the coronavirus epidemic in the 3 main languages of Meghalaya, that is in English, Khasi, and Garo. Thank you.